Hello friends! In this class, we're going to learn what do we tell people when we meet them past noon, like after lunch or in the afternoon. Do you know what to say? Come with me. Hello friends! How are you? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today we're talking about afternoon because you see the clock? It's past noon. So that means it's after noon. The sun is high in the sky. Even if there's no sun, it's still past noon, which is the time. We say it afternoon. So we say good afternoon. The sun is high in the sky. It's afternoon and it's time to have lunch. Usually we have lunch afternoon after the clock has passed 12, right? Afternoon, that's called noon. So it's lunchtime. And when it's late in the afternoon, a bit forward in the afternoon, it could be time for a picnic. Good afternoon, June. And when it's afternoon, the greeting that we use is good afternoon, not good morning anymore. Good morning is in the morning, right? When you wake up. And then when the time goes past noon, then it's not morning anymore, it's afternoon. So we say good afternoon, like they're saying in the picnic. Good afternoon, June. It's time to have a picnic. When we meet our friends in the park, we also say, if it's afternoon, we say, good afternoon, boys. Hi, Jenna. Good afternoon. When we meet our neighbors afternoon, we also say, good afternoon, Bobby. Good afternoon, Molly. When we meet a friend in the park, good afternoon, everybody. Or when we go into school with one of our friends and it's afternoon, we have to say, hi, Sarah. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Nana, because it's time to go to school. Some people do go to school in the afternoon, right? After they have lunch. Usually people think or knows it's afternoon after we have lunch, because we usually have lunch past midday, right? So we can always think, oh, if I had lunch, I can call it afternoon now. It's a way to help you. Oh, look at the clock. It's past noon away, yes. So in school, we always say, good afternoon, class, our teachers say to us. And then we respond, good afternoon, Mr. Jones, or good afternoon, teacher. Now, you see those three scenes? Two of them, you can say good afternoon. Can you find which two of them you can say good afternoon? Good job. You see, the sun is still up, and I can clearly see it's afternoon. That one could be considered afternoon as well, because this is still daytime, right? That one in the bottom, let me get my laser point. This one here in the bottom, I mean, you can say this is morning, say good morning. Yeah, but we're talking is afternoon, and afternoon is still daylight, right? And here is nighttime. So this is the only one that could not be afternoon. Those two could be clearly afternoon, right? So we say afternoon to those two pictures there. Good job. Excellent job, actually. So now you know when it's past noon, past midday, we say it's already afternoon. So when you're greeting somebody at that time, you will say good afternoon. How'd you say? Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good job. And good afternoon to you if it is afternoon. See you next class. Bye-bye.